The rack and pinion, 2002 4Runner, Toyota 4Runner. My driving down the road, I make a quick turn under my dash will go beep 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 beep. Then I make a turn around the curve or something beep 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 beep. And I'm like, what in the world is that sound? And this is an old car. I'm like, why in the world? It ain't got no warning, cross the line warning. But on this vehicle, for some strange reason, it got a buzzer on it. It's under your dash. That when your tie rod is out of line, it started beeping. And so what I had to do was go in there and change my bearings, my bushings, and my rack and pinion. I ordered them little like $12 bushings, $24 bushing on my rack and pinion, and put them in there, and all that beeping stopped. I was looking online to try to find what it was, and nobody had everything else about beeping sound in there. None of them had nothing about the beeping sound when you turn your tie to the left or to the right. But that's what it is. It's a rack and pinion. Bearings are going out. The bushings in there. Replace them, and some or another, it's computerized of that age. It fixes it. All right. I hope that helps somebody. I'll let you later.